Hi everybody, hope you are all safe. Today we are going to discuss high paying online jobs that you can do from home. Well, before I go into the topic, there is a surprise gift if you stay till the end and you if you have any questions on this particular topic you can ask your questions, give your feedbacks, post it in the comment box. If you have more questions on this topic or related topic, do ask. I'll try to help you out. After all, my mission is to help you get freedom lifestyle. So you can turn your passion or hobby into online business, and we help in doing that. So coming back to our today's topic, high-paying online jobs that you can do from home. Whether you are a stay-at-home mom or a student looking to pay off debt or a retiree looking for extra ways to make money, these creative online jobs can make you money. Your earning potential is limitless, most of which depends on the amount of time you spend on your work, flexibility, fulfilling work, and the chance to earn as much by working part time or full time as others do work full time. So, I have put together a comprehensive list of work from home jobs that pay well and do not require you to have a college degree or a specialized certification or degree to start off with. The first job opportunity that can fetch you good amount of money is proofreading. This is one of the most flexible, high paying online jobs that is becoming hugely popular. If you have a good word skills like catching spelling errors and typos, this is the job for you. You can work from home and help online business owners proofread their content. There are many ways you can proofread, from ebooks, blog posts, website content, online marketing material, and any online documents that need an extra pair of eyes to catch errors. The average salary per year will be ranging anywhere from 30,000 to 60,000 US dollars. The second is affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is when you sell someone else's product online to earn a commission. You can do this without a blog or website through social media promotion. Whether it is Facebook, YouTube, or Pinterest, you can leave affiliate links and promote products you love to your audience. With YouTube, you can do short video, either a recipe tutorial or a product review. Below the video in the description box, leave a link to the products you used in the video, and when someone buys from it, you earn a commission. For Pinterest, you can upload an image of the product or a promotional photo, and link your pin image to the product page. So when they click the image, they will be automatically directed to the product through your affiliate link. So income expected through affiliate marketing will be somewhere around, on an average, 55,000 US dollars per year. The upper limit is even higher. I'm only talking about the minimum limits here. The third job is scoping jobs. This little known job involves you editing courtroom transcripts. Don't worry, you wouldn't need to deal with any of the legal aspects of this. The court reporter will do all that. As a scopist, you will be required to look through the documents and edit them for any errors. A court reporter's job is transcribing what is said in the courtroom into written form. using a special system of shorthand so that they can keep up with the fast moving proceedings. Court reporters then hire scopists to edit these transcripts. So court reporters make money per page, not per hour. That's why outsourcing the editing allows them to increase their earning potential. Similar to proofreading, no certification is required. There is a very minimal startup cost and the earning potential is high. If you have an eye for detail and you can make well over 4,000 US dollars per month working from home editing transcripts. The fourth option is social media marketing strategist. Many business owners don't have the time to make consistent updates to their social media profiles or to respond promptly to customer requests made via social media. That is why so many small business owners today are looking to hire social media managers to handle all social media tasks. As long as you have the ability to post, curate, and manage content on social media channels, you can start taking on clients even today, even now. But the big money is in learning how to effectively um, deploy your paid advertising, such as FB ads. Businesses need new customer leads, and you can earn premium wages if you know how to use things like micro targeting to deliver ads to just the right audience. Again, you can specialize in Pinterest alone, or YouTube, or Instagram, or FB, or LinkedIn. You can sub-niche into paid marketing or organic marketing, ads, lead generation, traffic generation, and so on. Average pay per hour is anywhere between 20 to 100 US dollars. So this is here you get the income per hour basis. The fifth option is virtual assistant. See, virtual assistants are no longer low paid works who handle basic administrative tasks. They work as remote executive assistant doing a range of tasks. But now the trend is to hire a high quality virtual assistant possible. Someone who will really add value to your business. And because of that, people are willing to pay significantly higher wages to the right person with the right skills and work experience. So instead of just doing boring, repetitive administrative tasks, you will be working for a successful business owner as a remote executive assistant. Common tasks carried out by VAs include answering email, booking travel, managing social media, scheduling appointments, managing the email autoresponder, and more. It depends on the field. So there are a lot of opportunities existing for a virtual assistant. Some VAs take on multiple clients, allowing them to earn six-figure a year working from home. This means it can be one of the most lucrative remote jobs you will come across. So average pay per hour is anywhere between 18 to 35 US dollars. But there are, if you take multiple projects, you can earn well over 10,000 US dollars per month. The sixth option is graphic designer. Not all graphic designers get high paying jobs. Design engaging graphics is the main work involved. Average pay is anywhere between 25 to 40 US dollars per hour for beginners. So you can just think how much you can get if you specialize in one particular field. See, for the artists out there, graphic designing is a great way to monetize your hobby. And the web is becoming more and more visual. Everybody, especially as mobile devices have become the primary method of browsing, people are using a lot of graphics. The highest paid graphic designers combine multiple skills into their design. See, for example, they specialize in knowledge in branding alone, or sales, or direct response marketing. So, if you specialize, then you can charge over $100 per hour. And graphic designers with specialized knowledge get even more. The seventh highest paying online jobs is marketing automation specialist. The design and the implement automated digital marketing systems has got lot of demand in the market. Average pay per hour for beginners is somewhere around 40 US dollars. They do some type of marketing work as independent contractors for a range of businesses. Specializing in a growing digital marketing platform, they get more clients. So one of the fastest growing segments in marketing automation on platforms such as Ontraport or HubSpot, these platforms are experiencing explosive growth and more are emerging all the time. Some other examples are Aweber, ConvertKit, MailChimp. So taking a certification course to become a specialist in one of these can often land you with a job where you can earn anywhere between $60 to $100 per hour. Per hour. Yes. Isn't that amazing? Now the eighth opportunity is Pinterest Manager. Pinterest is not just for bloggers alone. Even big businesses need Pinterest. If you ignore Pinterest, you're missing out a huge opportunity because 250 million people are using Pinterest. And 84% are using Pinterest to make a buying decision. Naturally, there is a demand for Pinterest managers. So that's a whole lot involved with managing a Pinterest account from designing high quality pins to having relevant boards to pinning at optimal times. And as businesses grow, they are hiring Pinterest managers not just for managing their accounts but to bring their businesses to their next level. The ninth highest paying online job that you can work from home is YouTube channel manager. As YouTube channel manager, your responsibility includes say like development and production of YouTube specific videos, channel and show strategy, YouTube video uploads, optimization, day-to-day channel audience engagement through all social networks, partnerships and collaborations management, asset and copyright management, analytics report, and so on. So the more you specialize in this, the more knowledge you gain in this area, the more you can earn working as a YouTube channel manager for small businesses or solopreneurs. The 10th and the last high paying online jobs that you can work from home is content repurposer. See, great content can funnel more traffic into your website or a blog or your business, strengthen your brand's reputation, and encourage your site's visitors to convert or purchase. So repurposing is taking your content that you have already written or posted and repackaging it so that you can use it again and again and in different formats meant for different social platforms. So a great content repurposer will identify top performing pieces of content and repackage them into other formats so that you can use. It could be a blog article that has a great subject, can be used for making a video or a podcast or infographic. A series of blog articles can be turned into an ebook. Even a short content can be turned into a tweet or infographic or meme. Your content repurposer should always be looking for ways to reach new audiences by catering to their varied learning preferences. Because some people prefer reading long articles, some prefer reading short articles, some want to watch the YouTube, whereas some people would prefer listening while driving or doing some exercise or other course. So the average salary for a content repurposer is anywhere between um, around 80,000 US dollars to 1 lakh US dollars per year. So these are the 10 high paying online jobs that you can work from home. I hope you gained some value from this live session. Don't forget to take your free gift. You have a free gift, which is um, the link will be shared shortly inside the comment box. Click on that and claim it. If you have gained any value from this live session, uh, do let me know in your comments and feedbacks. Give me some hearts and likes. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Post in the comment box. If you want more quality content like this, more training sessions and expert interviews and things like this, then men can join my private FB group, Marvelous Entrepreneurs, for free information like this. The link will be given down. And women can join my VIP FB group, Freedom Lifestyle Mastermind. So, hope to see you all inside my group. Stay healthy, stay inside, stay safe, and stay marvelous. Thank you all for watching.